user/anxiety, coughing and shortness of breath can be serious symptoms. However, I think in a 33-year-old, lung cancer would be extremely unlikely and would probably be at the bottom of the list of things that I would consider. I do think a patient with these kinds of symptoms should be evaluated by a person who specializes in respiratory illness. There's a number of considerations and further testing to be done. Some of that may include further imaging, but I really don't think that lung cancer is in the top 5 or even 10 considerations of the cause of coughing in this situation.